Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write a LinkedIn post. So basically, you can write a powerful LinkedIn post in this year that build visibility, credibility, and engagement. So whether you're a job seeker, thought leader, freelancer, entrepreneur, here's a step-by-step guide on how to write a powerful LinkedIn post. So first, you need to define your purpose. Before writing, be clear on why you're posting, choose one clear intention, educate your audience, share insights or opinions, showcase your work or team, promote a product, service, or event, tell a story, career journey, failure, success, and then spark conversation. Now, step two, know your audience. You can ask yourself, who am I writing this for? What do they care about? What problem am I solving or value am I adding? Create content tailored to recruiters or hiring managers, potential clients or employers, industry peers or community members. Then, step three, hook them with a strong opening, like, would you take a 40% pay cut off for work life balance? Share a stat or insight like 85% of the job seekers forget to do this one simple thing, something like that. Step four, share your valuable, authentic content. Let's just say, I'm going to create a content about here's what 5 years in tech taught me about leadership. Now, here, I'm going to post this one. Also, you can add a clear call to action at the bottom. So you can try to add what do you think or what do you think? Comment below. Have you tried this strategy? Follow me for more job search tips, something like that. And then also, you can use formatting to boost readability, use line breaks between thoughts, use emojis to highlight points, numbered or bullet lists work well, avoid large walls of text. Okay, you can also add hashtags, use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags like this. Now, next is you need to be consistent when posting. Posting schedule suggests 2 to 3 per week or 1 to 2 per week. And then engage with comments. Respond to all comments on your post within the first hour if possible. Like and reply with thoughtful comments. And basically, that's how easy it is to write LinkedIn post. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.